Welcome back to Primetime News. Thanks for staying with us. In a ray of hope this week, we turn the spotlight on another teenager who's making a difference in his community through education. This time we go to Yallahs in St. Thomas, where a 16-year-old has transformed his home into a learning center. Here's Kian Morgan.
Jaheim Brown is only 16 years old, but he has been impacting the lives of many children in Yallahs St. Thomas for the past 3 years.
I was in my community helping out some of my little cousins with their homework. And one thing came to me, to my mind that why don't you have summer school? That's when I decided to have summer school in 2018 when I was 12.
This has always been Jaheim's dream. From he was a little tot, coming up he always wanted to be a teacher.
With a keen interest in children, Jaheim has opened his home to nearly 30 primary and basic school students for the second week of his summer school program.
Come with art, come with stress, it come with a lot of struggle, but at the end of the day, I have the zeal to become a teacher, so I don't pay it any mind.
The budding educator, who by the way has a small staff at times, finds it difficult to source food for children who turn up hungry. Notwithstanding, the youngsters are all fed.
God favored me, so God allowed the parents to have the heart to send their children right here.
Seated on old furniture under a mango tree, students can be seen fully engaged in classes.
We learn part of speech, maths, language, things that you have not learned before.
Fractions and the capital of parishes.
Shamar Wilson is 17 and works with the infants. He says a vast majority of the students from his class were behind when they first arrived a week ago.
They have been doing very great because when they just came, they didn't know some of their letters and they have been improving.
And at the end of the day's activities, students gather for group prayer before departure. With a ray of hope, I'm Kian Morgan.